Welcome to the channel, guys. So in this video we are going to unbox the best in class trimmer you could buy for the price of $9.99. So this one is the Mi Trimmer 1C, which I got from Amazon for 9.99 rupees. So if you are interested in buying this trimmer, the link is into the description box down below. So let us quickly see what and all we have got into this box. So this is how the box looks. At the front you are getting a image of the trimmer and few specifications. At the side it has written Mi Trimmer 1C, and at the back there are all the specification of this trimmer. So let us quickly cut to the package and see what we have got inside this box. So this is the trimmer itself, which is very tiny but has weight to it, which is a good sign and states the build quality of the trimmer. And the next thing on the side is the charging cable and a small carry pouch and a brush. So it is a micro USB cable. So the good thing is that you can charge this trimmer using your mobile phone charger as well. So this is how the carry pouch of this trimmer looks like, and this is a tiny little brush to clean the trimmer. So yeah, let us check the trimmer now. So it comes in a small polythene case, and this is the trimmer finally, which is very small, but the build quality of this trimmer seems very good. The finishing of the plastic is of very good quality and has a lot of weight to it, and the finishing on the dial is also very good. And you get only one comb with the trimmer, and it has 20 adjustable, the 20 step trimming. So this is the single comb which you get. So yeah, this was the short experience of the unboxing. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.